What's up YouTube? Jeff back again. Today the very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, it's been a while. We're back in my bathroom late at night recording a video while the kids are asleep. So you know that means there's some breaking news to share with you guys. And indeed there is. We've been waiting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra to get the One UI 6.1 update based on the 6.1.1 code base. And that day is finally here. You can see right here our good friend Tarun Vats over on X. Breaking news, S24 series now receiving the One UI 6.1 update based on 6.1.1 in Korea. Build number ending in AXH7/AXH9. And here is the beautiful update page, of course, in Korean, because this is rolling out in Samsung's home country first. But if you scroll in here, just go ahead and zoom in, you can see right there at the top, I can't speak Korean perfectly, but you can see Galaxy Eye features right there. We can assume that's going to be most of the features that we saw in One UI 6.1.1 on the Z Fold 6 that released last month. So you're going to be getting the features for sketch to image. You're going to be getting probably some of those interpreter features, although some of them are exclusive to the Fold. Some of the other awesome features that we're going to see from One UI 6.1.1. In addition, we should be seeing, of course, this is never really released fully in the release notes. Samsung doesn't usually put these sort of things, but we're expecting major camera improvements as well and battery life improvements from this One UI 6.1.1 update, which again is going to have the 6.1 code value, but it's going to actually contain the code base from 6.1.1. Now, of course, when will this roll out to the US? We don't know fully, but we do know that it should be coming within a week, because usually when things start rolling out in South Korea, which is where they do typically roll out first, they roll out to the UK, the US, Germany, Canada. Those are kind of the second wave countries most of the time. So you can expect, I'm recording this on the night of September 4th, probably by next week on September 10th, we should see this roll out everywhere. Now it's probably going to roll out to some of the US carrier models first, because that tends to be what happens these days, is that it rolls out to like Verizon and AT&T, some random carrier like that, and then it'll start rolling out to the unlock model, which I know is obviously not fair, but at the end of the day, that's kind of what they've been doing. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that since Korea is getting this update, we should get some camera samples to see exactly how much Samsung has fixed the zoom issues, any of those other problems. I know some of you guys are hoping for some grainy display fixes. I definitely don't think that's going to happen, because I think that's probably a hardware issue. But of course, there's always some possibility that you could hold out hope for a grainy display fix on the S24 Ultra. I know a lot of people have had issues with that and complained about it in past videos that I've made in the comments section. So if you're anyone in Korea and you've got this update, I'd love to hear how it's performing, things like that. We will be covering it fully over on our website, sammyguru.com. So make sure that you keep checking out the website, sammyguru.com right there. We'll be writing up some full stuff about this. We'll probably do a translation of the image and then actually go through what it says in the changelog there directly. I just wanted to get this breaking news out to you guys. The link will be in the description to our post over there with all the information we can find about this. And again, if you do get the update, if you're in Korea, please reach out to us, jeff@sammyguru.com. Let me know what you guys think about this. I know everyone's probably super excited about it. I definitely am really excited about it. Can't wait to get my hands on this. And then, of course, hopefully the One UI 7.0 beta will be right behind it later this month. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. And, of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.